Well, I'm back again at the charge high and low for a 1/2 inch socket. So the springs that go right here, they're 1/2 inch bolts heads. This was 9/16. So now you just see how to disassemble the rest of this. And make sure that you properly unplug your seat safety. Just be careful about unplugging it and make sure that you put it out of the way. That's unplugged now. So when it's time to move the seat and stuff out of the way, everything's done. Now, gotta find a 9/16 inch or 15 millimeter. That thing to get the main fenders off. Get this fender off the rest of it. So 9/16, 9/16. Get you on this side so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, lower y'all down a little bit where y'all see what's going on. Yep, perfect. Alright. Move this handle out of the way and see. Yeah, it, unbolting process started on these nuts and bolts that hold the fender, top part of the fender on. Yep, it's gonna take a little while because one is different of the disassembly process. All the way. Y'all get the gist of what's going on. I got this side to do and the other side, so I'll get back with y'all in a little bit because it's gonna take a while. Thank you and see you later.